I have forced this bitch. Oh, you can't see her because this is on face recognition now. This bitch to come with me on a hike. My first hike of 2026. Did a hike, as you saw, end of last year, and we want to bring more of those into our lives. Here's to my hike from Villanova to Sigis. Come, hello? Why are you ahead?
Speaking to me?
Yes. No, I'm talking to the bushes and the grass and the bricks.
The camera.
I'm talking to camera, yes. But I'm also talking to who's behind me. Yeah. We are going to go do a little hike.
Hike.
Isn't it? Down. From this direction. Or just now. Because it's sitting in the dark. Crunch, crunch. By the beach.
No.
It's hot.
I can feel my feet getting used to it though. But fuck me, it's cold.